Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss one more interview questions, that is nothing but two-sum problem. So two-sum problem is very important problem, that is lead code problem basically. And in interview you will get the direct question. So there will be no change, it will be direct question. So in my last video, I have already discussed the two-sum problem, but that is little bit different. Means in last video, if you go to my this video, so I already have many interview questions. If you come here, you can start practicing all of the interview questions. So last video we have discussed, this is also similar to some problem, but here what interview asked me to do is, instead of returning index, they want me the number only. If you, I'm expecting you know the two sum problem. What is the two sum problem is? If you are not knowing, then I will just explain you what is the two sum problem here is. So this is two sum problem. Here interval will give you one number list that is having number and target. So you need to find out the index of those number. If you combine those two number, you will get target. Okay. Okay. This is number here, and what is index 0, 1, 2, 3. So if you add 2 and 7, you will get 9. So what is index of 2? 0. What is index of 7? 1. So you'll get, you will get output as 0 and 1. This will be my output. So let me start now. Okay. So first of all, we'll start doing using brute force technique. So let me come to the brute force technique. You know, like you'll use the for loop and we'll do. So let me start. So here, this is the data. I have kept all the numbers in data variable, and target is target variable 7. And I have, for understanding purpose, I have written index of all the number here: 1, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2. All the indexes is here for understanding purpose. So 7, how it 7 will come? If you add 2, that is index is 1, and 5, that is index is 4. Okay, so 1 and 4, and then 2, this two numbers. So this two number index is 2 and 3. So let me start doing. So you can create one length variable here, length of data, and you can apply for loop for I in range. In my last video, I already discussed all those things. Okay, you can go and read it, but no problem, I will tell you here as well. So what I'm doing is, I'm just creating two variable for comparing those number. Means I will just start adding this one with 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5. So if after adding, if I'll get target 7, I'll compare with the target after adding all number here one by one. If I will getting the target, I will return the index. That's easy. Okay. So and j in range, and here if you see what range I have to take, I have to take I plus 1 and n. Why I have taken here I plus 1? Because I need to compare 0 index with first index. Okay, so if you print this I will having 0 and 0, and j will start from 1. So I'll just compare this 1 with 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So I'll keep adding 1 with 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2, 3, 4, 5 from where I will get? I will get it from j, and already I am having 0 here in I. Okay, so I need to start from I plus 1. If this number is over, then I will be 1. Means I need to start adding 2 with 3. Then again j should be 2, not 1. Okay, so that's why I have taken here starting point as I plus 1. Okay, so hope you understand. So one by one I am taking value and adding with all the value here, again taking this, adding with all these things, and whenever I will after adding it when we'll get 7, then we'll return the index. Okay, super easy. So now if data of I plus data of j, okay, equal to target, will just print I and j, because this time I need index. Okay, I and j, that's all. See, I'm getting 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is here, and 2 and 3. This is the index of two number. So hope you understand. If you want output in this format, you can create one list. Okay, let me just create one list called output. Create one list called output, and we will just append this value dot append. Okay, nothing else. Done. So now if you print this output, we'll have the value of index. So this is very simple, but the problem here is time complexity. Time complexity here is n big O of n square. Why? Because we are running one loop here, and inside that we are running two loop inside one loop more. So complexity of this is time complexity is n, and then again n. So big O of n square. So it will ask you to reduce the time complexity, means you need to solve this problem without using two loop. You need to use only one loop. So in that case, what you will do, you need to, so you need to think it and then you have to do it. So let me just explain you how you can achieve this one. So for in that case, you need one dictionary. Okay, you need one dictionary, or you can say hash map. Okay, we'll take the one dictionary, and we will just subtract this number, means 1 with 7. Okay, 1 with 7, and we will find out whether after subtracted whatever the number we are getting, it is there in the dictionary or not. Dictionary will have key and value format. Okay, we will compare with the key here, it is there or not. If it is there, it means what? It means if let's suppose that their index is 0. Okay, let's suppose that the index is 1 or something, anything, it is there. So what it means? It means this number 1 and 6 is the two number that will be giving me the 7. So you need to return their indexes. So how will you get the index? Index will be here. Let's suppose the index is nothing but the, I'm storing the index as a in the value, and this after subtracting whatever the number we are getting, we are keeping here, means here. Okay, so we'll just return this number here, and we'll return key, we'll return this in this value and this value, means 0 and 1. Okay, so let me just brief this thing again, one by one we will do, and you can you will understand what I am trying to do here is. So what is the basic thing here is, whenever you will find the number after subtracting, it is already available. Okay, it is already available. You have to return that number index. Okay, and whatever the number you are subtracting, that is the first number, and other number is whatever you have subtracted, that what you got, that number. Okay, their indexes. So let me just do one by one. I will just show you how I am doing here is. So just subtract this one. 1, you got 6. So 6 is there inside the dictionary? No. Okay, 6 is not there. So what you have to do? You have to insert this 1. Okay, you have to insert this 1 as a value, and key it means 1 as a key and index as a value. Okay, index as a value, like this. And again 2, subtract this 2, what you got? 5. So 5 is here inside this? No. So you have to insert this 2 as a key and their index means 1 as a value. Okay. Again 3, subtract this with 3. 3, what you got? We got 5. So we need to insert, we no need to insert 5, we need to insert 3 as a key and index is 2 as a value. Okay. Then again we will subtract 4. What we will get? We will get here 3. So now we'll compare whether 3 is available in this dictionary or not. So yes, 3 is available here. Okay. So what does it means? It means 3 is already there. Okay, and the number that you are subtracting is also there. So pair of this 4 and 3 is giving me the exact number. So what we to return? We need to return the index. So how will you get the index of this 3? If you know the dictionary, let's suppose that this dictionary is D. So if you write here D of 3, you will get the index, right? This is 2. That's why this is the purpose of keeping the index here. Okay, that is the purpose. We are keeping all the index number and index number and index number and index, because if you find the number, we need index. That's what we are keeping here, index. Okay, 2. Okay, we have to return this value D of 3, and we already have in the for loop we are tracking the index from here. So we know the index of 4 is nothing but 3. Okay, we'll get 2 and 3, means 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is index of 3 and 4. So that's what. So hope you understand what logic I have applied here. So you need to just quickly I will just tell you. So here target is 7. So you just need to keep subtracting the number here, and and you have to create one dictionary. Okay, if after subtracting is number is not there in dictionary, you have to insert this value here and index here. Okay, and then keep subtracting it. Again 2, so we will get 5. Okay, so we need to insert 2 and 1. Again 3 we will get 4. 4 is not there, so we need to insert 3 and place 2 here, key and value, number and index. And again 4, 7 minus 4, you will get 3. So 3 is available in the dictionary. Okay, 3 is available in the dictionary. We will return index of 3. Okay, from here, and index of 4. So we will get 3 and 2 and 4. I mean the index of 3 is 2 and index of 4 is 3. This will be my output. And again we will keep doing it. You will get 2 and 5 as well, means 1 and 4 as well. So we need to implement the same things using program. So let me go to Jupyter, means here in Spider, and we'll program it. So I will just I'll keep it, no problem. Okay, so what we need dictionary first. So I'm just keep creating one dictionary called final dict. Okay, and I need value as well as index. So how you will get? You need to use the enumerator function to get index as well as value. So index is nothing but I, and I will taking the value as value in enumerate data. Okay, now what we are doing, we are subtracting this target equal to the target minus p. We are doing, right, target here, and the number we are subtracting. Target, what we are doing, 7 is target, and we are subtracting 1 is nothing but index this value of the list. Okay, so we'll calculate p and target minus value, and now we need to compare whether this p is there in dictionary or not. Okay, whatever we are doing, I'm just doing the same thing. After subtracting, we are comparing whether this value is there in the dictionary or not. If not there, we need to insert the value as key and index as a value. Okay, so now we'll check if p in final dict. So this is the first time it won't be available, right? So it is easy to do. You just check not, if p not in dict. So what you have to do? You need to, so in this case you need to the value insert the value and insert the value and index. Okay, means you have to prepare like this, 1 comma 0. So how will get 1 comma 0 here? So 1 is there in I, sorry, 1 is there in value and 0 is there in I, 0 is index. So if you write here final dict of value equal to I. So if you do this one, what you will get? Let me just write it here, just for understanding purpose. Write here dictionary and here value. Value is what? Value is 1, and if you write here 0, so if you see, you will get this output. Let me just run it. Okay, and just print final data. See, I'm getting this. Okay, so we are inserting key as 1 and value as 0. So same things we are doing here. Okay, just let me remove this. Okay, value and I. Hope you understand this one. And now we have to do this one, and again in else condition we need to check if the p value is already available in dictionary. If this values after subtracting we got 3, right? If 3 is already available in this dictionary, we need to, what we have to return? We have to return, if you take here d dot 3, we will get this value, and already we are having I, right? So in that case, just print final data, final dict and p, because all data is already there, p is already there. We are comparing the p is already there. So if you search with the p, we will get the value, because we are we'll get the value, and value is nothing but the index, and comma I. Okay, I hope you understand this one. So if you run, let me run this one. See, we are getting the value. We are getting the output as 2 and 3. 2 means this 2 and 3 means 3 and 4. We are adding here, and index of 3 is 2 and 4. Index of I and 1 and 4 means 2 and 5. We are getting 7. Correct. So now we need to prepare uh, like this, right? Output. So let me create one variable, that is nothing but list, and you can insert data here. Control V dot append. That's all. Okay, done. So if you print output will have the index of those two numbers, that we, after adding those two numbers, will get uh, the target. So hope you understand this one. If you are not understanding, you let me know in the comment, and if you understand, then also you let me in the comment. So thank you very much.